Hi all, welcome to Strike. Today I'm just going to share an observations based on diffusion indicators. I observed that the recent high in the Nifty 500 has not been confirmed by stocks, the components of the index, basically whether the number of stocks that are above a certain average are above or below. So you can see the index has made a higher high, but here the number of stocks above 20-day average have not catched up. So it's a negative divergence if we look at it. And the similar thing is seen on different periods of moving average as well. So this is the 50-day and now the 100-day as well. As you can see, it was not able to reach the previous levels, and even the longest period here, that is the 200-day, has not been able to achieve the previous levels. So this high is actually not confirmed by the breadth. If we try to see the pattern of this indicator, then you can see the moment it forms divergence and breaks below the second orange line, which is at 80, it's actually a deeper correction for the market. And if we go all the way back to view more history, then it sustaining below 80 poses a risk of a prolonged kind of period where the market can correct like this, and it keeps on going on till it really gets oversold. But before that, you can see there are periods of various levels of trying to break 80 but again bouncing back, and the rally continues like this, and multiple times this level keeps on getting saved. So we have tried that once back in October of 2023, and now we are near that again. So we need to see how it performs from here on, but it can be a valuable insight from here on. So stay tuned to our channel for more such quick observational videos and educational videos as well. Thank you.